Solving problems is profitable. One of the biggest hurdles new internet marketers face is choosing what type of information product to create. Since you most likely want to make a profit off of this, you need to create an information product that solves a problem or tells people how to do something. Solving problems is profitable. Also, you want to make sure there's a decent-sized audience for this product. And you want to make sure that they have money to spend. So, you wouldn't want to create an information product that solves a really obscure problem that is only faced by a tiny group of people. And you wouldn't want to create an information product that appeals to a crowd that has no money to spend, such as young teenagers or children. Here's a list of evergreen product ideas where you will always find a hungry crowd. Provide these people with a genuine helpful solution to their problem, and you will have a grateful crowd that will come back again and again. Weight loss, dog training, pet health, acne cures, curing romantic woes, saving money, debt consolidation, avoiding foreclosure, fitness, parenting, fertility, making money online, driving targeted traffic to websites. You need to make your information product stand out. So, you would want to develop a method that lets people learn how to do something quickly and easily, and emphasize that when promoting your product. Learn how to paint portraits quickly and easily. Take pictures like a pro. Learn how in just 5 lessons. Don't ever be put off by the fact that the product may already exist. In fact, if there is no other versions of the product, you should worry. That possibly means there is no market. There is nothing new under the sun, but people who have an interest in an area tend to buy a lot of products that address that interest. If someone is a fanatic about dog training, they are likely going to buy more than one book on it. If someone is desperate for romance, they will snap up any product that looks like they offer a solution. You need to create an excellent product that solves the problem. Emphasize how good your product is when you are promoting it. Highlight some common flaws that competing products have, and how your product is better than the other products. And it won't matter how many other competing products are out there, really. It's important to make sure that there is actually a market out there that is seeking a product like yours. And once you have done that, you can go on to the next step.